Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually change your display name on Roblox. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser and head down to Roblox. Now from here we go to the official Roblox website, and here we log into our existing Roblox account. Now as you can see in the top right corner is my name. Now this is my current display name. If I want to change it, I go to the top right corner where the cogwheel appears. I open up the settings, and inside the settings you see your account info. Now below account info you see your display name, and here you can change it. Now make sure to change it to whatever you like, but make sure to also note that you can only do it once every 7 days. So let's say I change this, I can't change it back in like 7 days. So that's a very important to note. Now if you still get any other questions regarding this tutorial, please leave a comment down and like the video and subscribe if this has helped you, and thank you for watching.